Harbor Freight brought back one of the most popular coupons, but before you grab 5 random items, let me show you the under $10 tools that are actually worth buying. At least that is in my opinion. I hope you agree. This is an image of the coupon. You can use it, but at the end of the video, I have one that you can easily screenshot with your phone and show to the cashier. Let's start with a Ames non-contact voltage detector. Normally $4.99. $3.50 is all you're going to pay for that thing with your 30% off coupon. You get that 7-function digital multimeter. It's normally $7.99. Get that thing for $5.60. Couple of nice crowbars under $10. Here's a 24-inch gooseneck wrecking bar or a 24-inch alignment bar. The $8.99 would be down to $6.30. The $9.99 would be down to $7. Here's a nice pry bar set with a three-piece with a grip. Normally $9.99 with the coupon. You guessed it, $7 or $6.99. Voyager's 4x12 canvas drop cloth, normally $9.49. So you guessed it, about $7.25. You can also get the Warrior 4.8 volt cordless, it is a cordless 1/4-inch screwdriver kit. This thing's normally $9.99. I personally haven't tested this one. I have the Bauer, but for $9.99 and take your discount down to $7, why not give it a try? You can get a full Pittsburgh screwdriver set for $7 with your coupon. How about a Pittsburgh hollow shaft nut driver? You can get this in SAE or metric. Normally $7.99, so you're talking about $5.59. Warrior security bits, 33 pieces, normally $5.99. So you're talking about $4.25, $4.20. Harbor Freight's low profile trucker hat, $4.99. So $3.50 out the door. You can get you a new cap. You can even get in the Icon Professional. This is a 10mm socket set, 4 sockets there. Normally $9.99. You can pick those up for $7. Don't hurt to have too many 10mm. How about some extensions? These are impact rated by Pittsburgh, 4-piece, normally $9.99. You guessed it, about $7. Half-inch drive impact wobble set extension, also Pittsburgh, about $7. You can even get in some pliers. Here's a 3-pack of mini locking pliers, $7.99 normal. So that's going to bring you down to about $5.60. Pittsburgh slip joint pliers, $8.99 normally. You're going to pick them up for about $6.30. That's 3 pair of pliers. 3 pair of pliers. Can't hardly beat that. Gordon's 19-inch flexible magnetic pickup tool with a LED light. This thing will pick up to 5 pounds. Normally $9.99. You guessed it, you can get it for about $7. Bauer's 20-volt cordless 150 300 lumen compact flashlight. This is a tool only. If you have the batteries, it's a deal. Normally $9.99. Pick it up for about $7. Luminar's outdoor 500 lumen pop-up lantern. These things are invaluable, especially during a power outage, but they're really inexpensive to carry with you. $4.99 normally is a great price, but with your coupon this weekend, $3.50. You can use and get all 5. You can get 5 of those if you'd like. These are just a few deals, so it's just trying to give you an idea of what you could get. Obviously, you can do the math yourself, but I just wanted to show you Harbor Freight has lots of things under $10. And for you ITC members, as mentioned yesterday, it's anything under $20. So some of you folks that are not members, you may want to reconsider. Spend that $29.99 and you get all items under $20. Here's you a clean coupon you can snap with your phone and show to the cashier. Until the next video, please like and subscribe so I can keep putting this video content out. And y'all take care.